Hi everyone. In this video, we'll see how to install Maven on Windows. The moment you start working with Java projects, you need at least one of the build tools. So we have two build tools for Java. One is Maven and one is Gradle. Throughout the course, we will be talking about Maven. So let's quickly see how do we install Maven. So in order to check do you have Maven installed or not, you can open command prompt and type one command called mvn space hyphen hyphen version. So there's a shortcut for a Maven. Instead of Maven, type MVN. And the moment you hit enter, you will see this message called MVN is not recognized as internal or external command. It means Maven is not configured. But the moment you start working with Java projects, you have to build projects. So we need Maven. And let's see how to install. So go to Google and just type download Maven. You will be getting their official website, which is maven.apache.org. And by default it's coming to download section. So let's say if you're by any chance on this page, just come to downloads, and now you'll see multiple options. You will see the binary zip, source star and source zip. We just need this one, which is binary zip archive. At the time of recording we have 3.9.9 version. In case if you're watching this video later, you might get a different version, but that's perfectly fine. Continue with that. Keep one thing in mind: if you're using Maven 3.9 and above, you need JDK 8 and above. So please use latest version of JDK. So 11, 17, 21. Make sure it is 8 or above. I will click on the second option. It will ask me where do you want to save. Maybe I will keep under downloads and click on save. Now it is downloaded. Now you can click on this option called show in folder. So it will directly redirect me to this download folder. So this is a zip file. You need to unzip this file. So just right click and click on extract here. And the moment it will be unzipped very fast because it's hardly few MB file. You will see this folder Apache Maven 3.9.9. So just double click on it. Now this is the main part. Please pay attention here. So this is called home directory. So this is home directory where you will find bin, which is binaries. And every time when I say mvn clean, mvn test, mvn installed, this is the file which will be triggered. Okay, so this is Windows command script. So we need to set the path that every time I run mvn command, go to bin and run this file. Apart from this, this is the configuration file. So basically if you see here, we have config, we also have libraries and other folders. You might need this configuration in case if you're running behind the proxies, you want to change certain settings. So this will be the setting file. So if I right click and show you this. So in case if you need to set any settings, mostly we use for proxies. So if you come down and you can see this proxies, right? So if you're running behind the proxies, please provide the proxy details, which includes your username, password, and the host along with the port. You will get this information from the ops team so that you can start working behind the proxy as well. Now, since I'm not running any proxy, I will not make any changes, but please modify the settings in case we're running behind the proxy. Okay, now let's see how do we set. See, downloading will not set this. So even if I type mvn, it will not work because we have not configured the path. To configure this path, you can right click on my computer or this PC, go to properties. You will see this, just type environment variable, edit the system environment variable. Now you will get this particular window, which is computer name, hardware, advanced. Click on advanced and you will see this environment variables. Now I have two variables. One is called user variable, one is called system variable. So under user variable, you have to create a new variable and the name that you have to give is maven underscore home. And the value should be the main home directory, which means this. This is the home directory, right? So I will copy this, Control C. Where's that window? Let me open again. So click on environment variable. Yeah. So paste here and click on OK. So this is the home directory that we have set. Now again, please pay attention. This is a very critical information. Under system variable, please do not delete anything. Please do not delete any variable. Come to path section and click on edit. I will repeat again, do not click on delete, click on edit. Now you can see we have so many environment variables, right? Click new here. And now you have to give the path till bin. So this is the home directory. I will say /bin, which is bin. Once that is done, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. So basically we downloaded and configured the path. Now, if I start command prompt again, so guys, always restart the terminal or restart the command prompt after the installation. This time if I type mvn space -- version, you can see now it is detecting Apache Maven 3.9.9 and it is also giving me the Maven home directory along with Java home directory. So Java is mandatory before you continue to Maven. Now, if I want to quickly see certain commands, let's say mvn clean. Now, obviously it will not work because whenever you start working with Maven, you need to provide project path and it will look for pom.xml file. So it says, Mukesh, I'm not able to find pom and the build got failed. So once we have the proper Maven project, then this command will make sense.